Hello, hello, Corin.
Hi, Limery.
So I'm joined by Corin Bodenhorst, a colleague at Parent Effectiveness Training, and she has agreed to have a conversation with me. Thank you, Corin, that we can record this and share it with our interested parties. Corin and I have been colleagues for over a decade, but Corin has been involved with parent effectiveness for a long time. So thank you, Corin, and we are eager to hear what parent effectiveness training has done for you and your family and your life.
Yeah, thanks, Limery. Thanks for the opportunity to chat to you. So when my boys were young, me and my husband looked at each other and we didn't know how to raise these boys. And I started looking for a plan or some course or some books to give us the skills to be better parents. And I was so fortunate to attended a marketing talk of PT. And when I exit that talk, I just realized that this is something that I must do. And I asked my husband, and he joined me, and we did the 7 8 weeks parenting course, and it really changed our lives. It changed our lives by giving us skills and a structure of how to raise our boys. And when I got pregnant a few years later with my third child, I did a refresher course and I then just decided that this is so good, I must share it with other people. And then I became an instructor.
Wonderful. And you are based in the Western Cape?
I am a social worker in private practice. I'm here in Cape Town and I present a few programs from Dr. Thomas Gordon, um, which parent effectiveness training is one of them.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Corinne, you have seen a lot of parents over the years, including the experience of PT in your own home. Uh, and it's based on the principles of effectively communicating and listening in a specific way and responding to what we experience in communication. Is there a golden thread that you find in most homes that we need these skills? Is it for everybody? Um, what is the reason why PET would work for every household?
We are all in relationships, and all relationships need skills. And nobody teaches us how to be effective in our relationships. And this is so great for me about PT that it gives me skills, it gives me a structure. I always joke and say it's like a GPS for relationships.
Mm.
And I don't know how I would navigate my relationships without these structure and skills and to know what to do in which situations. So I am very thankful for Dr. Thomas Gordon that provided us with this excellent theory of relationships.
Exactly. You had a head start on me, um, having the opportunity to raise your sons and all your children's on the method, and they're obviously now grown. And I started when my eldest was she was 14, so I had a lot of bad habits to to retrain myself in my communication. And yet I find today that my relationship with my adult children is so healthy. And I can just also testify that the program of how to communicate honestly and openly, uh, I think, is what the base of my relationship with my everybody in my life, but especially my adult children, um, brought us to a space where we can still have lifelong good relationships. There's no there's no burden in it. For me, Corin, what changed is that I became present in my parenting. Uh, before I learn the skills. And I always joke, I had to do it 3 times, one for each daughter. I was a stubborn learner. And it took me a while to acquire the skills because it's like learning a new language. And eventually you become so skilled in it, it comes naturally. But the shift for me came where, as I say, I became present in my parenting, and I did not have to convince and threaten and manipulate my children anymore. I could be transparent and honest about my needs. So that was the big shift for me. I was in a battleground with my teenagers at that stage. What in PT, if you could single out one thing, what is the one thing in your experience that worked for you, that clicked and said, this is the thing I need for my family?
I think the biggest thing, the biggest growth that I underwent was the whole thing of acceptance. I think when we start off being parents, we all want our children to perform. We want them to be certain people or persons. We've got this idea of what they must do, how they must do it, what they must say, how they must say it, what they must become. And I think my youngest daughter taught me that she's her own unique person. And the biggest learning curve for me was to realize that our children are not us. They are not extensions of us. They are their own unique persons. And they don't need to be like us. And it is for us to accept them unconditionally and to create that space for their uniqueness to, to grow into their own persons and not to make them like I want them to be. I think that for me is the biggest thing in PT that I grew into, is that deep acceptance. And as you know, Lee-Marie, we also in PT teach parents the language of acceptance. So everything that we do in PT is about creating a safe space. It is about acceptance. Even when we confront our children, even when we discipline our children, it's all with the undertone of acceptance.
It sounds so good, Corin. I can just feel your home being a warm, safe space. Uh, it's it's so nice to know that one will be accepted with all your quirkities and idiosyncrasies. Um, was it easy for you? Because as I said, it was difficult for me to learn a new language. Was it easy for you?
No, I always say to parents, PT is not 1, 2, 3 magic. And I think why I grew so much is that I presented this course over and over and over and over. And no, it is not easy. If you want to change, if you want to experience some depth in your relationships, if you really want to grow, it's very hard and intentional work. It's going over the stuff over and over and over and over again. So no, it was not easy. It was not easy. It was hard work, but at the end, it's so rewarding. It was so worth the journey.
Isn't there quicker fixes? If I look at the internet today, um, you see all these tips on social media platforms. Isn't there a quicker fix for this whole parenting journey?
I wish. I wish. And this is what I love about PT, Lee-Marie, is that a lot of quick fixes tell us, listen to your children, create a safe space, don't shout, don't hit. That's short, quick answers. But there's very little courses and contents and books that tell you how and also what to do instead of yelling, instead of hitting. And this is what makes PT so fantastic. They don't just tell you listen to your children. They spend 6 hours in teaching you how to listen to your children. And that's what I love about PT.
And the fact that it's proven over and again, and it's over 50 years old, the program, it's been rewritten so many times to keep up with the changing times in terms of examples and the practicality of it. But um, it's it's scientifically based, and it works, and it's wonderful to see the generations now and accepting and embracing it. And my eldest now have two little ones, and she says, "Mom, it's the only thing that works.
Yeah.
It's the only thing that works." And that gives me so much peace of mind that with all the information out there, the younger generation still finds PET to be the proven way to raise little ones.
No, it's extremely relevant and it stood the test of time. And although Dr. Thomas Gordon was 60 years ago so ahead of his time, um, you know, it just proves how brilliant he was and how much insight he had in the psychology of the human being and into the psychology of relationships. And he created a program for us so that we can just understand it well and so that we can apply it in our own relationship.
And it's so simple. It's not rocket science. When you learn it, it's so simple. It seems, how can these simple steps actually bring such change? But I love the fact that it's simple. I can use this almost a cookie cutter example of the steps I need to follow. As you say, it's a structure. And that's what I enjoy, that it's simple. I can follow it in any relationship, in any setting. And I think that's why it works for every culture, anywhere in the world.
It makes sense. It makes sense for all ages. It makes sense for a baby that can't talk, and it makes sense for teenage children. It makes sense for adult relationships.
It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Corinne, if there's a parent out there and they are experiencing overwhelm, as all parents do at one stage or another, what is the one thing you think PT would bring to their family to help reduce the overwhelm for somebody who's tried everything and is now so frustrated and not enjoying parenting anymore? What do you think PT would be different for them?
I think PT puts everything into perspective. I think we teach parents to accept the different phases of parenting. Like toddlers is the most exhausting time of parenting, and very often I give people the skills, I give them structure, I give them advice. But with that advice, I also say to them is accept that this is going to be chaos. But if you apply your skills from an early age, you are going to have easy peasy teenagers. So sometimes just to also accept the mistakes, also accept the chaos, accept the fact that we are not perfect parents and that we will make mistakes, but then always go back to our PT model and try to see where are we in that model and what is the skills that we've learned. So PT gives us that perfect skill set to tell us exactly what to do and when. And if you follow that recipe, then you can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong.
Yeah, because no matter who is overwhelmed emotionally, whether it's you or your child or the whole household, it will work in every scenario and every setting. Yes. Is there somebody who would not fit the PT process, that would find it, my child is too old, or I have a child on the ASD spectrum or ADHD. There's so many options out there of how we can approach our own situation at home. Is there anybody that you think this would not actually work for, or is it for everybody?
The only parent that it won't work for is the parent that believes parenting is natural, the parent that is not willing to put in the effort, the time, the money to learn new skills, the parent that see this as effort, time consuming, the parent that just don't take their relationship seriously. That is the only parent that can't do this. A parent that doesn't want to change, a parent that doesn't believe in personal development, um, the parent who doesn't believe that relationships can change. Otherwise, this PT course is for any parent. Of course, with our autistic children, our children on the spectrum, children with ADHD, special needs children. Of course, there's some adjustments that we must make. But we all communicate, and the communication stays the same. We just add a trick here or there with children that's special needs or on the spectrum.
I have a parent with an autistic daughter who is nonverbal, and she says it's the only thing that worked for their family. So even in a nonverbal communication exchange,
Yeah.
PT did wonders for their family. So her daughter actually learned that her mom is a human being that actually gets hurt, and because she understands, it's just that she doesn't use verbal speech. So it works for the parent that really applies themselves. But it is hard work, Karen. And what I learned is parenting is hard work, and you have to do damage control later on. So I would say do the hard work now, and your teenage and adult years would be so much easier.
Limery, PT is hard work. Not doing PT is also hard work. So both ways is hard work.
Hard work.
You know,
But the one has you
choose your
lose.
hard. Choose your hard.
Yeah, choose your heart. Yeah, because as we do the no lose conflict resolution, you actually win. Where if you don't apply the skills that we can actually use, you lose all the way because you have broken relationships. Yeah. I trust this. I love speaking with you, Corin. We've journeyed so long together, and we are sold out on PET, so there's no other way for us. But I trust a parent out there found it insightful and encouraging. And yes, I'll look forward to meeting up with you again and seeing you. And thank you for your time. And yes, so we'll have another chat and share some more skills and info on parent effectiveness training.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Limery.
Have a good day. Bye.